Today, we will do a quick weekend recap. We will do a total top-down analysis as you like. We will go every single detail and discuss the possible trades. If you are ready, let's start. Let's have a really quick weekend recap practice. Today we will look at this coin called Blur. It had a really good setup. As usual, we will have a top-down analysis. In the weekly chart, everything was quite obvious. This gigantic weekly imbalance failed, and price straightly head over this imbalance above to fill it. We had a nice long bias here. In the daily time frame, things were more clear with higher precision. For example, this imbalance here. Price was also clearing this nice parabolic liquidity. You see, all we do here is re-practice the masterclass content, imbalances and parabolic liquidity. And as you know, we have been at this mega rally since the beginning of July. I have no intention to look for short trades here. How about the momentum layout? How was the power? We had a really early price switch, but this was way too early for me during the time when I was sleeping. But the momentum was clear. This thing is going up. With this 30-minute imbalance tap and 2 and 4 hour momentum imbalances, I was already convinced of possible upwards movement. All these are very clear, no question, I believe. As you can see, what I teach in the masterclass program keeps happening every single day. Let me repeat, the same things keep happening every single day and multiple times a day with tens of coins. Now drop to the 5 minutes to look for trades. There was this nice break and structure box here, which created a perfect imbalance, an order block location to enter. As you can see, there is a nice, very early price switch here. If you entered here, you probably break even or maybe stopped out. And there's nothing wrong with it. I do stop out or break even a lot. It is all part of the game. Later on, once the imbalance is fully filled and the order block tapped, price ignites and a true switch happens. As I said, sometimes price hunts the internal liquidity. There's nothing wrong with it. There was a clear 3-4% move here to catch. Let me remind you again, if you have break-even or stop out from time to time, there's nothing wrong with it. Nobody wins every trade. Nobody can. It is impossible. Let's put everything back together. With daily and weekly charts, we understood that price was filling imbalances, and we had our certain direction. We also know that July was the big rally month. Everything gained power with coins and we were going up and up. We noticed the 30-minute imbalance tap, and within 5 minutes we identified a nice structure box to trade. Then we managed our risk to make the possible trades and entries. I hope that this video was clear and straightforward. If you have enjoyed it, see you in the next videos. Take care, friends.